Good evening, everybody. This is Jean and Ian. We're in my sewing room, and my husband is trying to figure out the new shelving arrangement and building our new sewing room. And he's gotten the plans all down here, and we're drawing it to scale. How's it doing?
Well, we're going to mark each component and reproduce this on the wall of the new sewing studio, Davis Grove. So we'll take photographs. We will, with black marker, mark all of these, if you can see them, the blue tape, so that we will reproduce exactly this arrangement
plus some
on an 8-foot length, which these are. These are all 8 foot long by 11 1/4 deep shelves. Then we'll add almost another 3 foot. We'll reproduce, and we've got over there, the other side of the room, you just have to put an upright on the right hand side, and then we have an almost 3 foot, which we need 11 foot on one side tall wall, which is going to be probably 12, 13 foot high. So we'll have that 8 foot, plus we'll go up another maybe 5 foot. One very, very tall vaulted ceiling.
Oh, you're going to the ceiling?
Yeah, or well, we'll go up.
Because I have to get a rolling ladder.
Yes.
Like
we'll go up
Beauty and the Beast
with
type.
more shelves. Yeah. So we'll probably, the rolling ladder will be another 2 foot higher than the upper shelf.
Okay.
So there'll be a ladder coming down here.
Well, this is a 9-foot ceiling, so
Yes.
it would it could only be you can get an 8-foot, 9-foot, or 10-foot ladder.
Well, we get a 9 foot probably. The 9 foot ladder will work really well. So the next shelf that goes above this one, which will be another foot upwards, we'll have on the front of it will be deeper than 11 1/4. It'll come out, project further into the room, and on the front it will have the running rail for the mechanism that goes at the top of the inclined ladder. So there'll be roller balls, ball bearings if you like, to run along the front rail there, and on the bottom there'll be roller.
Yeah, there's sort of like a side roller rail, like a side roller wheel. Yeah, that goes on the floor.
Yes. So it'll be this width, 8 foot, plus another 3 foot, a whole wall of fabric, which is not enough for your fabric.
It's not. It's not like this, because I have all this here. And I had that up there.
Well, you've got.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So behind the sewing area, which is here. Let me just see if. So, yeah. So here's my new sewing room, which.
So this is the wall that we were just talking about, which is going to be 8 foot plus 3 foot long, and this is the desk office area.
Right. And
which is only tiptoeing away from the powder room.
The powder room.
So if you get caught short and need to run, you don't have to run far.
I don't.
To have a leak.
Ian, shush. And then over here is the actual. This here is where we're sitting. This here, we're taking this desk here.
So over here is the main sewing machine. Another sewing machine where Jean is behind the camera, and on this. Return, which will be like here.
Yes.
If I'm sitting there, it'll be another countertop.
And so the rest of my fabric is on this wall.
Yes.
Okay, so this is my main sitting area. This would
This is where the Juki will
That's
be.
my Juki.
Over there
that's
will be
my
the
big brother.
Husqvarna. Oh, big brother.
My big brother, and then the small brother right there. And then we're going to create a half wall to separate into like a small seating area. where my mom's furniture was in the living room, in our front room. So, yeah.
Yeah, a little conversation area.
Yeah, because this was the family room. That was a large family room in this house. But since there's only 3 of us, and we have another fairly large living room, this is going to be my sewing room.
Sewing studio. I like
Sewing
to say.
studio.
Yes.
Yes.
'Cause this is where artistic creations are produced. Yep,
There you go.
there we have it.
All right. Thank you, Ian.
Bye.